Ranking couples' pet names.
Nicknames.
Anyways, honey.
Good.
Good, yeah, it's cute. It's like
Nice.
very old school. Like, oh, honey, baby is mid.
Why, bro? Baby is good. Babe is mid.
What's up, babe? Like, what you do, babes?
When a guy wants to be dominant, you know what he says?
Hey, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl.
You should have credibility to say baby girl.
Baby girl. You can't be like that.
Yeah. Pookie.
Pookie is mid.
Mid as fuck. Who came up with that? Queen.
Queen is goated, bro.
Yuck.
You treat them like a queen, bro.
Treat them like a queen. Don't call them
bro.
queen. Bro, if you keep calling her my queen,
Yeah, that's-
you'll be a submissive bitch to her.
No, bro, that's my queen, bro. And
I'm the king.
Bro,
goated.
got it. This means the couple are in a very established relationship.
You guys fart in front of each other. Sister, goated.
Incest fetish and all.
No, it's bro max.
What
like,
the
It
fuck?
shows true comfort in relationship. If you can call her akka, nothing like it.
Daddy or mommy.
Goated.
In public, it sounds so cringe.
Oh, for sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. G.
G.
Yeah, bro, you're talking to your grandmother.
Call him full name.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Imagine your girl comes to you and goes, hey, Kiran Kumar. You'll be like,
That's not my full name.